Hey guys, what's up? It's Kiki, and I don't know what happened to the first clip from this video, but it does start a little bit awkward. I am just telling you guys what I'm doing for the day and also doing a 3 to 4 in 1 get ready with me. So if you guys are interested, let's jump right into the video.
Yeah, this is my first time going to the movies since the whole pandemic and everything, and I had anxiety. I was gonna go one day by myself, but I had so much anxiety. I was like, I can't do it. Cause you know, you can't live your whole life being scared. I didn't used to have like anxiety before, but as my kids got older, as I got older, first it started out as parental anxiety, and then it just took over. I actually had a full-on panic attack. I never had a panic attack before in my life, and then I had a panic attack recently because Steven's cousins went on a cruise, and then the day they came back from the cruise, they had a family gathering, and all of them were together. I wasn't there, but he was there with them. Oh my God. As soon as he told me that they just got back that day, full-on panic attack, like crying, couldn't go to sleep, thought I was gonna die in my sleep. I had an anklet on. The anklet got tight on my leg. I popped the anklet off, and the whole time Steven was asleep, and you know, nothing was going on. It's real crazy out here, and it's making me crazy. Face done. I'm gonna set it. I'm going to take my Charlotte Tilbury airbrush shade 3 and just take a, this is by Beauty Blender, take this sponge and just set under my eyes. I think I actually need to get a lighter shade for what I'm trying to highlight. I'm gonna put on a little bit of cream blush. I've been trying to, you know, hold everything together because I want to travel. I want to do so much stuff, but the way the world's set up right now, like right now my whole family is going to Jamaica but me and my family. And when I tell you I really want to go, but I'm really scared to go, Sephora Micro Smooth Powder in shade 860 and just set everything. I'm just going to the movies, but I want to look cute. I want my lips to last, so I'm going to use the Juvia's Place liquid lipstick. As a liner, and I'm just going to take a ColourPop gloss and the name peeled off. I'm going to put some pink in my lips. It's not giving what it's supposed to give. It's gonna have to work. So the wig that I'm going to be reviewing today is from myfirstwig. Here are the specs of the wig. It did come with a wig cap. They always send this bag to store your wig and some headbands, because I have a headband wig, because of course when I'm in a rush, that's what I'm gonna go for. As you can see, the curl pattern of this wig, really nice. This is supposed to be 18 inches, but it looks really short, so we're gonna have to see once we put it on. Comb, 3 combs in it. It has the clips as well as a comb in the back. It comes with this headband and then headbands in here. Oh, these are nice. Well, this is nice. This one is a thick one, this is a thin one. Or you can use your own headband. Okay, I have quite a few neutral headbands because I think I'm wearing this brown outfit. But yeah, so I'm gonna have to, I need to wash my hair. That's why headband wigs come in handy. The way I make my headband wigs look kind of natural is by using this black edge control, because my hairline is kind of fine and it's been like this my whole life. It's not from wearing wigs. Take some and just fill in my edges where it's thin. I usually do this after, but I'm trying a different way today. And you can get this from like your local beauty supply store. That's where I got mine from. I think this is the Sweetie Edge Control in collaboration with Kiss. So yeah, I'm just gonna take some of this and put it on my hairline. Ooh, the combs on these things be so doggone sharp. No, there's some good edge control. I should have zoomed in. Let me zoom in. Just putting a little bit more edge control. Okay. And just do the same on this side. Sorry y'all, I got quiet. But yeah. What else? What else I got going on? I don't like that edge control. It's greasy. Why is it making my hair look like that? Thank God I'm putting a headband wig on. Here is the headband wig. Like I said, it's a really curly. I love the curl pattern of this wig. And if you guys been following me or watching any of my headband wig videos, you know I kind of tuck this under so it protects my hair. This is cute. Okay, now I'm gonna flip it under. Well, it hides a lot of the headband, as well as it's not the actual wig causing friction and rubbing against my own hair. It looks like it's meant to go that way. It is. So I don't even want to put any product on this because I love the curl pattern. So I am going to oh, that is cute. Look how natural that looks. Alright, I'm gonna change my clothes and put on some earrings and stuff, and then I'll be back with the finished look. And boom, I'm ready for the movies. Have on my long sleeve, my hoodie. I'm ready. I wanna see if I wanted to wear it up, I could. I don't have a ponytail holder, but I'll use a clip. Well, it's just for example. I'll use a pink one. Looks really natural. Looks like it's my hair. Which side I'm gonna go put it on? Put it on this side since this side a little juicy. This is my full fit in Perfume. So make sure you guys go check out My First Wigs. Like I said, they always have great quality headband wigs as well as their regular wigs. I've reviewed both from them before and I really enjoy their wig. I love how easy it is just to style. You can wear it to either side, whichever one you choose. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys go check out My First Wigs. I'll have all the information in the description box, as well as any of the products I use listed. Love you guys, and I'll talk to you later.
Listen, seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now.